Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you.
Alright guys, we are gonna try Measure Pearls 10 cent dinar at $2.50. Come on. Oh man, we need the pearls and the dolphin. Come on. We're doing 5 bets now, $5 bets. Come on. Come on. $2.50 again. Oh, 10 times. Come on. Come on, Dolphins. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Damn. Let's go 5 cents. Go right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dolphin.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Dolphin. Come on, Dolphin. Okay, let's go to 2 cents. Go to $5. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Oh, God.
Those are some nice balls.
Yeah.
Go ahead, $5. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Oh, you can go more.
Oh no. Come on. Alright guys. Alright guys. We move on to Heart Club.
For $6.
$5. Let's go. Come on, let's get hearts right here.
How are we gonna get it?
Me too. Come on. Moon. Come on.
Stay up.
One more time. There we go. Come on. Go. Moon. 250. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. 5 cents.
Oh wow.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. We'll be right back, guys. Put in a fresh new $100 bill in. Went to 1 cent, $5 bet. Got the bonus. Let's go. Collect more hearts. Let's go, Mom. Let's go.
Heart.
Big hearts.
One. Oh,
Big
so
hearts.
money to buy.
Big hearts. Big hearts. Come on. Green one.
Give us a
Come on.
minor. So money to
So a
buy.
green one.
So give him two.
Yeah, come on.
Major.
We're gonna hit that. Come on. Let's go. Big one. Come on. Green one.
Green or blue?
Blue, green. Alright, 2 more spins. Come on. Big one, big one, big one, big one, big one. 4 more spots, guys. 4 more spots. 3 more spots. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, heart.
Go. Go. 2 more spots, guys.
Come on, heart.
Come on. Heart, heart,
Heart.
heart, heart. Heart, heart. Oh, big one. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. God damn it. 13 collected only. All these hearts. A little more. We'll take it. 125.
That's our best night.
So far, yeah. Come on, let's go again. Come on. Let's go to a 2 cent. And do this one, $5. Come on, Mo.
Hearts. Give us a moon.
back to, let's go back to 1 cent, $5.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh. Some moon.
All the way back. All the way down to $1. We finally hit this bonus. Let's go. Trophies. Last bet. Come on, let's go. Big ones.
Big numbers. Oh, ito pa na. Asa man ko guys. Winner.
Come on. What are you doing? Come on, let's go.
Trophies. Trophies.
Trophy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so sticky. Come on.
Come on, come on.
Come on.
Oh my god, all the trophies dropped. Come on.
Say where again. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, we got so many minis. Come on, let's go. Big trophies. What the fuck kind of shit is this? Come on, let's go. Trophy.
Come on, give some money. That's some money to buy.
Come on, trophy. Come on, we need some.
Big numbers.
Big
Winners.
ones. Come on. Big ones. Come on, right there. 3 more, guys.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Hit it.
Boom, right here. Come on,
Hit
let's
the last
go. Let's go right here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Give us some bigger ones. $1.35. Alright. Sell your horse down. Let's go. Back spin. Come on. Come on. Come on. Last spin. Alright. We're at Lightning Link, Moon Race. 10 cent D9, $5 bet. Hit 4 moons. So good luck, guys. Come on, let's go. Come on. Don't do that to me. Come on.
Tear it up.
Give us some moons. Give us some moons. Give us some moons. Come on, let's go, moons. Or give us a lot of astronauts. But pair it up. 10 cents. 10 cents, so is that $90?
Yeah.
Gotta be, right? Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, Moons. Come on, Moons. Come on. Ay, ay, ay.
It's hard to figure it all up.
Come on, Moons. Come on. Eight more spins, guys. Let's go. Come on. Moon. Oh, yeah. Come on, Moon. Damn it. Come on.
Wow.
Ooh, so sticky, icky. Come on.
That's it.
Oh, come on, make it count.
That's the best one you got so far. Right?
I don't know. If any of you like come over here and tell me I can't record, I'm gonna say, dude, I spent so much money here. I'm not even recording you. I'm not recording nobody. I'm just recording my machine.
It don't matter.
I don't care, dude. Fuck that shit. Come on, man. Spent so much money here. Do what the fuck I want to do. I'm not recording nobody else, man. Alright, $265. Get some backup spins here. Come on. Come on. Let's get one more. All right.